Hi everyone, it's Dagi from Hot Paw Vlog, and today is the day I can pick up my baby quills today. So let's go to my best friend and look for them. Yeah!
Alles Durchlaufverwerter.
Das macht nichts. Dann bin ich ja mal gespannt, wie viele Männer da jetzt dabei sind.
Ich auch.
Also, upsa.
Ich meine, du kannst ja, wenn du eine große Gruppe hast in deinem Gehege, du hast ja ein relativ großes Gehege.
So this little yellow one here, I think, as my best friend too, where I get this from, she was hatching it for me, that this one is a white one, or becoming a white one. So it's my first white one I will have here. Yeah, they like the blue. This food I put here inside, in this one here. And soon I think they will also find the food here. Yeah, this one has it already. So we will close it now so that it's becoming warm inside again. So the baby quails are in this container here behind me. I have to look for something better to cover them here because they need it warm inside. I can show you shortly. Here is a temperature and it's not enough at the moment. Sorry. So I have to look for something to cover it better. And yeah, these little baby quails are maybe 4 days old. So they are very young, younger than the other one I got. And I'm already excited how many boys and girls they are. So together they are 12. Last time I got 10 baby quails. Out of these 10 were 6 boys, so I hope this time will be more girls. Sorry to say that, but yeah. If you want to have further videos from me and to see them, please click on the bell button and don't forget to give a big thumb up and also to subscribe because it's for free. Yeah, I hope you like this video, and till next time, it's me, Dagi from Hot Paw Vlog. Bye!